Fifth question. In the given figure, line AB parallel to line CD and line PQ is the transversal. Measure of one of the angles is given. Hence, find the measures of the following angles. Here they have given that line AB is parallel to line CD and they have given that line PQ is the transversal. Now they have said measure of one of the angles is given. Which angle is given? That is this angle here is given as 105 degrees. Hence find the measures of the following angles. Now which is the angle which is given? Angle BRT. Which angle have they asked us here? Angle ART. Now when angle BRT is 105 degrees, how do we find angle ART? Angle BRT plus angle ART will form a straight line, that is angle BRT and angle ART form a linear pair. So angle BRT plus angle ART is equal to 180 degrees. We write the reason linear pair. Okay, but angle BRT is equal to 105 degrees. So I'll write but angle BRT is equal to 105 degree. Therefore, now in place of angle BRT I put 105 degree plus angle ART is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle ART is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. Therefore, angle ART is equal to 75 degree. So we have found the first angle, that is angle ART. What is the second one? Angle CTQ. That is here. Angle CTQ. Let us write the measure of the first angle formed. That is here. We found that this is 75 degree. Now you see that we have to find the measure of angle CTQ. Now you see this angle and this angle. Both these angles are on the left hand side of this transversal PQ and they are below the pair of parallel lines. So what type of angles do angle ART and angle CTQ form? So if they are on the same side of the transversal and the same region, that is above or below the parallel lines, then they form a pair of corresponding angles. So I write angle ART is equal to angle CTQ. But angle AR, what is the reason? We said they form a pair of corresponding angles. But what is the measure of angle ART? It is 75 degrees. Therefore, angle CTQ also is equal to 75 degrees because corresponding angles are of equal measure. Now going to the third angle which we have to find, that is angle DTQ. We found out angle CTQ also is 75 degrees. So I write it here. Now I have to find angle DTQ. Now you see that angle CTQ and angle DTQ form a linear pair. You either take that, or we can also say that angle BRT and angle DTQ. What happens? Both these angles are on the right hand side of the transversal PQ and they are below the parallel lines. So they form a pair of corresponding angles. So what will I say? Angle BRT is equal to angle DTQ. Angle BRT is equal to angle DTQ. What is the reason? They form corresponding angles. But angle BRT is 105 degrees. But measure of angle BRT is equal to 105 degree. Therefore, angle DTQ also will be 105 degree. Therefore, angle DTQ is also 105 degree. Let me write the measure in the figure. I have got this measure as 105 degree. Okay, so we have got the measure of this angle DTQ as 105 degrees. The last measure is angle PRB. I look at the figure, I want the measure of this angle. Angle PRB. I see that angle PRB and angle ART are opposite to each other. See, they are formed by the same pair of lines and they are opposite to each other. So if they are opposite to each other, they form a pair of vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle PRB is equal to angle ART. The reason we said just now, they form a pair of vertically opposite angles. Again we look at it, angle PRB equal to angle ART, because they form a pair of vertically opposite angles. But angle ART we already found is 75 degree. But angle ART is equal to 75 degree. Therefore, angle PRB also is equal to 75 degrees. So we have found the measures of the four angles which was required. Let us see whether we have written the reason for each. Angle ART is 75 degrees by this reason linear pair. Angle CTQ is 75 degrees by this reason of corresponding angles. Angle DTQ is 105 degrees by corresponding angles. And angle PRB is 75 degrees by this reason vertically opposite angles.